Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Elevate Pay in Fiverr. This payment method allows you to receive your earnings directly through bank transfer, making it easier to access your funds. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business. Now click on My Business and from the drop-down menu, select Earnings. This section shows you all your financial information and gives you access to manage how you receive payments. It's your central hub for everything related to the money you've earned on the platform. Next, click on Add Payout Method. This is where you'll set up Elevate Pay as your new withdrawal option. You'll see a list of available payout methods that Fiverr supports. From this list, select Bank Transfer. This option enables you to link your bank account directly to your Fiverr account, streamlining the payment process. After selecting it, click Continue to move forward with the setup. Fiverr will now send a verification code to confirm your identity and ensure the security of your account. Enter this verification code in the designated field, then click Submit. This step is crucial as it protects your account from unauthorized changes. After verification, Fiverr will ask you whether your business is registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority. Take a moment to consider your business status and select the appropriate option, either yes or no. This information helps Fiverr comply with financial regulations and ensures proper tax documentation. Now, complete all the required information that follows. This includes your bank account details and any additional verification documents Fiverr may need. Fill in each field carefully to avoid any delays in processing your payout method. Once you've finished entering all the necessary details, submit the form. Fiverr will review your information and activate Elevate Pay as your payout method. You've now successfully added Elevate Pay to your Fiverr account, making it simple to receive your hard-earned money directly to your bank. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.